Hello everyone, happy weekend. Join me in learning how to make Guyanese duck curry with my mom. It was savory, rich, and satisfying. Enjoy our candid afternoon backyard cookout. What do we have in here? Explain.
Oh, we have oil, onions, garlic, that's fresh ground garlic, pepper, some cinnamon sticks, 2 pieces, and 2 pieces of celery. Okay. Garlic, so you have to add a little water.
That looks like a lot of water.
Just a little.
And what about
The
all the
Bhunjay,
seasonings?
This is the Bhunjay, the
So
masala.
is just masala in here? What is this?
Oh, masala and garam masala and curry powder.
That's all?
Yeah. Also a little bit salt in there.
The duck is seasoned with what?
Onions, garlic powder, some black pepper, a little paprika.
Did you put salt on the duck?
Yes, but not too much.
Okay. Any turmeric?
I washed it with turmeric.
Okay.
And I put a little curry powder, a little bit chili powder, and that's about it. I let it sit like for about an hour.
No more water?
So this is the Bhunjay process. You have to Bhunjay slow
Okay.
because you don't want the heat to be too high, because then your meat could be too stiff.
Okay.
If the Bhunjay is slow, so I'm gonna cover it now and let the Bhunjay process work, and then I'll add water to boil it.
So what do we have here?
That's the
Just
liver.
put the duck liver in. How much water did you add before?
This
much? Okay.
like a little bit more than half of that pot.
Okay. And then this is a mixture of.
This is a mixture of jeera and a little bit more masala and parsley and green onions.
And 2 giant habaneros.
Yes.
Ooh, look at it bubbling.
And now I'll put the potatoes. Now is the perfect time to taste if the salt is enough. So you'll.
And what should you be looking for in the duck? Like the texture of it? How do you know when it's tender enough or when it's fully cooked?
So I take the spoon and I try to like break it. Right now I know it needs to boil more. So I'm not gonna even try.
Okay.
I'm just giving it a turn. Needs to boil some more. Just
I
checking
completely
it out.
lost track of time. I have no idea how long this has been boiling for, by the way.
I think I started like.
So traditionally duck curry is served over white rice or along with dhal puri, but today I felt like having it alongside some cucumber and white bean salad and sautéed veggies. The veggies really soak up the flavors. The duck came out super tender. The skin is my favorite. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.